Setting up tent at night. Time check. It is 10:30. We love camping. Goodbye, baby.
Sabihin na iwan nyo sa tujak.
Lapitan na lang.
Oo nga.
Freeze! Nagmamartian.
Naniniwala si Arsan kasi sa alien.
Yeah, kaya.
Nasaan yung ano mo? Yung full hat mo?
Ito, oh, may minero tayo dito. Ay, shy boy. Ay, shy boy. Good morning. Everybody is outside cooking. And it's just hi, welcome to the vlog. Let's see what everybody's doing.
Ito na itong board game.
Yes, sir.
Ano sa amin? Ilang stop?
Cheers!
Anong pagkain niya? Saan kaya pwede ilagay yung ketchup? Hati-hati na lang. Sasara niya. Tapos.
Okay, experiment. Let's see. Oh, isa lang.
So gagawin mo ulit yan kada patak.
Yeah. Yung wala kang kapo, so kailangan mag-improvise. Mountain tunnel hike. Very easy hike actually. So everybody is stretching. Kaya pa guys? Kaya pa? Hindi susuko ang?
Aming team.
May isang sumuko. So, we're just chilling.
Sige, try ko yan. Palit tayo.
Victoria.
We're just chilling here.
Yung ginawa natin dati.
Ay, sorry.
Chilling
So gusto nyo?
here. Just admiring the view.
Kaso 4 players lang.
Ang alin?
4 at a time. Ayan. Here.
Kahit pagpagin ko pa.
Districts ng town.
We made it.
Saan po kami?
Dito, maganda. Walang tao.
Dito?
How long did our hike take? Was that 2 hours lang? Or less?
Less.
That was less than 2 hours. It was a really fairly easy hike. And now we're about to go down. We're gonna go to the Banff town. So that's gonna be our next agenda. We are now in Banff town. We're gonna go get our bubble tea, and that's the only reason why we're here. May nagko-concert po sa likod. They're having a concert back there.
Kaisang ano? Kaisang...
We are cooking sinigang with Chef Charlie over there. Yes, sir. This string bean is losing its life very soon. We don't use it.
Makulang ang kanin. Oh. Yes, sir. That is kanin. Say hi.
Parang creeper na yun.
Wow! Bigas nito ah. Ito, okay na pala. So, manghuli ulit ang ganito si Ebon. Wow! Captain Canada! Ang angas ng mukha. Nag-level din. Nag-level. Oo nga.
Nang ano?
Ang fry nut.
Just chilling at the campsite, waiting for dinner. Dinner time! Sinigang! Woo! Crazy Charlie!
Kahit pumunta lang pag bagong ano ka,
Oo.
pag bisita ka, bigyan ka na ng...
Ubus mo yata yun eh.
Ano yun?
Ano pala, kala ko sinigang. Ayan.
Sinigang ni Charlie.
Pang-asin.
This is how you properly dry.
Okay, it's dry.
Kitchen vendor. We're gonna go do a little walk after our dinner. We're gonna go to the Hoodoos.
The game, right? Ako narinig ko yun. Kung sumama pa sana sila, na-goal sana yun.
Good morning. We are packing on a rainy day. It rained the whole night last night. Some of the corners are wet, but we all managed to stay dry. So yeah, and Chef Johan is cooking us some
Statistics.
oh, look at that. Cooking us burger steak. Woo! Clean up time. The worst part of camping is cleaning up after a rain. Marites. Marites. sabi mo, oh, sumisigaw, tapos ano biglang...
Parang nakatakot talaga yung ano. Dito sa gitna, hold natin. Masasira ang zipper, parang nagkat sa ano. Nakaluwag natin yung ano. Tapusin na. Hindi pwedeng...
Cool lang ako.
Hindi ka tatangan.
Ah! Welcome to the vlog! Hi! Welcome to the vlog! Bow Falls.
Ano yung presyo?
Hi guys, so this is our last stop before we go home. This is called Bow Falls. It's very close to the town actually, so it's not a far drive and there's a lot of parking lot. Last stop before we go home. Ang bakit?
Ito nga. Ito nga. Napakabagay.
We are now in front of the Sulphur Mountain over there. We hiked that mountain. You can't see it because it's very foggy at the moment, but you can see over there, there is the gondola going up and down, up and down. Boomerang. Boomerang. We are in Banff! We are in Banff!
yung Chinese margin.
B-A-N-F-F, that's Banff!
Bad!
Update! I lied. That was not our Bow Falls was not our last stop. Our last stop is Beaver Tails. Whee! Oh no, not yet. Never mind.
Sa Cascade Garden.
We're gonna go to Cascade Garden after what is this? After we eat Beaver Tails. Beaver Tails is a must if you're new to Banff. That is Banff's thing is Beaver Tails.
Tawag po dito
Wait.
ay maple
Ay, yung
spelled with
sa may lamesa?
M-E-H.
Dito na kayo
Sa Canadian A. Tapos Paul. Maple. Parang maple lip.
Maple. Yan. That's the mountain you can see from the town. The town is over there and we are at the garden center.
Cascade.
So right now I'm just sitting here and look what I'm looking at. Bam! That's the town. You can't see because of all the clouds right now, but that's the town. Yeah.